Hey, welcome back to the channel. So this week we went over to help our buddy Paul out. He asked some little bit of stumps and debris to pick up, so we went and picked that up. So a couple of key things here is if you use something or borrow something and break it, fix it before you take it back, or at least better than it was before it came over. Little tip there, but there's a little bit of bloopers in this one, but don't be a lurker. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and share. We're trying to get our views up, and we're getting there, just slow. But yes, this is not a 15-second video, so if that's what you thought, go to our shorts and watch our shorts. If not, stick around. There's a couple of funny spots, and if not, it's just us hanging out in the country and doing what we do. But so when he asked to come pick up these stumps, let me show you what we had. This is what they looked like when we started, and once we got here, yeah, it's a little bit different. They growed a little bit. So anyway, be sure to like and subscribe and stick around for the video.
Everything is bigger.
So I didn't borrow his trailer, but since we used it, I mean, it got a little spicy with the logs and everything on it. We got a little mixer up here to do. We'll take care of that. do some more, but that well's gonna hold anything this trailer's got. And I'm hungry. I need some lunch, so. It's a little windy. Sorry about that, but our pile got a little bit bigger than we were expecting. But anyways, it'll clean the place up and get those stumps taken care of. Now, what we did over the weekend, I went and helped my buddy Paul out, and he's got another channel. I'm gonna give you a link to his channel. Let's have a deer feeder go off. Had a car driving by. Yep. They say this is easy. So, hey, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it's dirt.